Want to make sure your text messages are safe before switching phones or resetting your device. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to back up your messages with Google Messages using Android's built-in backup feature, so your conversations can be restored whenever you need them. Before starting the backup, connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure it has enough battery power. This helps prevent interruptions during the backup process. Next, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll to Google, then tap Backup. On some devices, you may find Backup under System or Accounts, depending on your phone manufacturer. If Backup is not already enabled, turn on Backup by Google, so your text messages, call history, apps, contacts, and other supported data can all be included in your Google account backup. To create a fresh backup immediately, tap Backup Now. Keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and avoid closing the settings screen until the process finishes. After the backup is complete, check the latest backup date and time. This confirms that your messages and other supported data have been safely stored in your Google account. When setting up a new Android phone, sign in with the same Google account and choose to restore your backup. Your saved messages will automatically return during the device setup process. And that's how to back up messages with Google Messages. Regular backups help protect your conversations and make switching to a new phone much easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.